Wish you a happy birthday, sir. This day I want to express few words about Murli sir. I was waiting for this from long time. Before that, I want to introduce myself. I am Ramesh Babu from Bangalore. I am ex-sergeant, served Indian Air Force from 1989 to 2004. Presently, I am working in KPTCL as executive engineer in Kaveri Bhavan, Bangalore. Today, I feel myself proud to say that because of Murli sir, I am in such a good position in power sector. I got an opportunity to work under Murli sir in Kanpur during period 1992 to 1996. That was my first posting from ab initio training. At that time, sir was squadron leader and later on he became wing commander. The first thing, I admire him because he was so humble to everyone. There was no ego at all. He used to treat all rank people equal. He was looking very smart in his uniform. Sir was technically sound and everyone knows he is specialist in Mirage 2000. And in somewhere in 1993, he conducted a workshop along with IEEE in HAL. That was a huge success. Then we got an opportunity, all Mirage people, to participate in that seminar. Then again, so in Kanpur, I used to closely watch him. So all qualities made me to change myself. That day onwards, I started dreaming and I thought that I should also become an officer like him. I was diploma holder before joining the service. Then one day, I went to Sir's chamber and talked to him about my dreams and requested him to get the posting to Bangalore so that I can pursue my higher studies in Bangalore, that is BE from Evening College, Bangalore. Unfortunately, my application was turned down from AFRO 5 times. Here we can see Sir's patience in recommending my case every time, and this shows his way of helping others. One day, I still remember, he was officiating CO of 4BID. He called me and told me to bring once again the transfer application. Then he recommended it and straight away took me along with him to AOC's chamber and explained everything about my transfer. And from there again my application was strongly recommended and it was sent to AFRO. Then once after coming from AOC's chamber, he told me, this time Ramesh, your job will be done. And finally it happened. People, those who are watching this, they might think it is a very simple thing he has done, but for me, it has changed my life. From then onwards, things started changing. Being an airman, I completed BE from Evening College, Bangalore. Then again, I was posted to Gwalior. There, I did my MTech from Mahadara Institute of Technology and Science. After leaving service in 2004, I joined as assistant professor in Bangalore University, that is UVC College. After that, I got an opportunity of direct recruitment in power sector, that is as an assistant executive engineer in Bangalore during 2007. So from then onwards, my journey was so smooth and never looked back. And this all happened because of Murli sir and even madam's blessings. Whenever I talk to them, whenever I talk to sir and madam, I feel that there is some power in their words and blessings that they do. As everyone knows, he is retired and he is settled in Bangalore and he is still active. And nowadays, we Kannadigas are proud to see him in TV channels, in all debates related to defense matter. Finally, about sir, there are many things to say, but more than that, he is a good human being, and everybody, if you get an opportunity, talk to him and you will feel yourself what he is. Once again, I wanted to wish him a happy birthday than anyone else has wished him. And one more thing I want to say to sir, as I am also in Bangalore, please, if you want any help, anytime, please call me. I am always at your service. Thank you, sir. Madam, thank you for giving me an opportunity to say a few words about Murli sir. Thanks, madam.